Alright, working on a Sierra Fender here. Z71. Lots of creases. Probably a tree branch, I'm guessing, but you can see a long one from here all the way across and then down. Even damaged the molding a little bit too, but get tools on the back side of the panel, push this one out. Should take a little while, but not significantly difficult. Pretty slight creases. Alright, just finished this Sierra Z71. Crease all the way down to the end there. And then we had this part, you can see the molding is damaged right there. The creases, both those creases kind of followed that all the way up to the body line. You can see in the light that they are gone. Move that out of the way. Natural reflection. Came out pretty nice. Everything was accessed from removing the cloth liner and getting tools up underneath. See if I can show you some factory holes in there for us to use. So, thank you for watching.